You were my calm and stormy skies, the gentle truth behind my lies. Now all that's left is quiet air and memories that linger there. You were my calm, my sweetest sound, the peace I lost but never found. I close my eyes and still feel warm. You were my calm. The nights are long, the days drift slow, but in my heart you still glow. The world keeps turning, love moves on, but you remain when all is gone. I learned to breathe, I learned to stand without your voice, without your hand. But sometimes peace can still be pain, when every song still says your name. You were my calm, my sweetest sound, the peace I lost but never found. The storm has passed, but I'm still torn. You were my calm.
The snow was falling slow and white. We held our hands beneath the light. You said forever, I said okay. Then winter took it all away. Last December, the world stood still. Your voice remains, I feel it still. Through frosty air, I still remember the love we had last December. The cafe lights were dim and low. Your smile was soft like candle glow. Now all that's left is memory of who we were, just you and me. Seasons change, but I stay near to every word I used to hear. I close my eyes and you appear. Still December every year. Last December, the world stood still. Your voice remains, I feel it still. Through frosty air, I still remember the love we had last December. smells like lavender. You lean against the window pane. We talk about the weather first, but end up saying love again. Every minute feels too fast. Let's make this one forever last. Stay a little longer, babe. Let the night be slow and brave. No goodbyes or a second plan. Just hold me with both hands. The city hums, the lights are dim. Your eyes reflect what words can't say. If love's a song, you're my hymn, and I could listen night and day. Stay a little longer, babe. Stay a little longer, babe. Let the night be slow and brave. No goodbyes or a second plan. Just hold me with both hands. I don't need tomorrow's dawn. If I can stay where I belong. Stay a little longer. Stay a little longer. Just stay a little We said goodbye with gentle eyes. No tears, no sad disguise. You smiled like sunlight breaking through. Said love will always follow you. The years have passed, the colors fade, but warmth like yours will never age. Every dream I see, your face still shines in quiet grace. Thank you again for love that never ends, for teaching me to breathe again. Thank you, my friend. Though time may shift and bend, my heart still understands. If I could start again, I'd still say thank you. Your kindness shaped the air I breathe, a gift you gave and chose to leave. Now every song I try to write still carries your soft light. You showed me peace, you showed me kind, the art of keeping love alive. And though our paths have split in two, my soul still sings of you. Not every love must stay to last. Some bloom and fade but never pass. Thank you again for love that never ends, for teaching me to breathe again. Thank you, my friend. You're in the chords I sing, the notes I still defend. For everything you've been. again. Thank you again. Thank you again.
City lights are fading slow, windows hum an amber glow. Your sweater drape across the floor. We don't need much anymore. Every word you softly say lingers in the quiet gray. No grand plans, no big design, just your hand resting in mine. The night is kind, it doesn't rush, it hums a song of us. We're warm enough tonight, no need for stars to light. Your breath's a gentle flame, whispering my name. Let the cold stay at the door. We don't need the world no more. We're warm enough tonight, just you and I inside. Outside feels a world away, inside time forgets to stay. You laugh and it all feels clear. Every sound I need is here. I don't need to chase the dawn. This peace is where I belong. All I want is what I found. You in silence all around. If morning tries to break our spell, let it wait a while as well. We're warm enough tonight, no need for stars to light. Your breath's a gentle flame, whispering my name in this quiet, soft delight. You make the darkness right. We're warm enough tonight, we're home tonight. Warm enough with you. Warm enough with you.